Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So this one you can see very beautiful room decoration. You can see the lights and all the wall decoration. You can see the black color theme, very beautiful. And this one also you can see the wall, very beautiful decoration of wall. You can see very good looking. You can see the mirrors, the cotton and all, very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall, the down top. You can see, you can bath here, very beautiful. And this also you can see the wooden theme wall. You can see the bed. You can see the floor, very beautiful decoration and all, very good decoration. And this also you can see the blue color theme bed and the wall, the cottons and all, very beautiful decoration, very good looking. And this also you can see the black color bed and all, the black theme, the bed, the wall, the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration and all, looking very good. And this also you can see the wall, beautiful wall, the lamps and all, very beautiful decoration, the floor and the wall also very beautiful. And this also you can see the wall, and the wall you can see the washing hand. You can see there, very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful decoration. You can see the bed, you can see the wall, the beautiful painting on the wall, very beautiful. This also the very beautiful painting of wall, looking very good also. The wall also, the mirror, the roof and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the green color, and the chair also beautiful, black color, green color theme, very beautiful. This one also the dark green, very beautiful decoration. You can see dark green, looking very good. And this also you can see the wall. The wall you can see black color wall and all, very beautiful wall you can see. And the lights also, and so also you can see the blue color theme walls and all, and the decoration is very beautiful. So also the wall you can see the palm tree leaves and all, very beautiful palm tree, looking very good also. And so also you can see the skin color decoration, very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall, the bed, the roof and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, take care and goodbye.